kung tumaas yung rating nila, except that few siguro na hindi, especially for the president, most importantly the president. Kung tumaas yung rating, maligaya ako kasi wala naman tayong presidente ngayon, walang iba, si Marcos eh. And he's good for 6 years eh, pang ilan lang tayo ngayon. So if we begin to distrust him, even with the ratings that are there, which shows that they are fairly good or not good, doing fairly good. Hindi naman pwede ma-very good yan eh. Maligaya ako, not for them but for my country. Ibig sabihin, may nangyayari na maganda para sa bayan natin. And I'm happy that the President is improving on his rating, which means to say that he is really working hard on Congress and everybody. I should be happy. Being a former President, what takes the essence of their output would be the result of the surveys, which would show that most of the Filipinos are contented. Kisa naman maghirap tayo na wala nang puro na lang ano. I'm not that into this business of remember guys, remember Mr. President, that I'm here just to say a few things to correct, just little errors, hindi naman malaki. I'm not here to destroy you. You are no longer a candidate, you are a working president, and wala naman akong ambisyon. Before your term ends, baka patay na ako, matanda na ako. Magtulungan na